My name is Sandi Doll and I'm from Elgin, Texas. And I came to the Longhorn Eye Clinic on the recommendation of my ophthalmologist because he wouldn't prescribe me eyeglasses because he said they wouldn't do me any good because I had cataracts, and I didn't know that. I was really surprised. So I came to see, he recommended Dr. Hart. I came to the office. The people are absolutely wonderful. I had my first surgery on my right eye on January the 2nd, and it was absolutely painless. I mean, not even mild discomfort. Within 24 hours on post-surgical recheck, my vision in the right eye was 20/20. My left eye is scheduled for surgery on the 16th of January, and I expect the same results. The people here are very efficient, but very warm and caring, and they have great sense of humor, which is really good if you're worried about having your vision. I'd recommend them wholeheartedly, unabashedly to anybody who needed a good surgery in a good place.